the future of game development. Have you ever wondered how to integrate advanced AI into your Unity projects? Imagine building a dynamic chatbot, generating stunning images with DALL-E, or even bringing your characters to life with text-to-speech right inside your game. Well, today's your lucky day. In this course, I'll take you step by step through the process of integrating OpenAI's powerful services from scratch without any external SDKs. Welcome to Cinematic Coders course, and thank you for purchasing this course on integrating OpenAI APIs with Unity 3D. You've made an excellent choice, and by the end of this journey, you'll have the skills to seamlessly integrate cutting-edge AI technologies into your Unity projects with confidence and ease. In this course, you'll learn how to create a dynamic UI with customizable gradient themes to enhance user experience. We'll walk through integrating OpenAI services step by step, starting with setting up chat completion for quick and efficient responses. You'll also use DALL-E to generate images based on user input and integrate text-to-speech functionality with OpenAI's customizable voices to make your application more interactive. We'll dive into Whisper, OpenAI's speech-to-text service, allowing users to upload or record audio directly within Unity for transcription. As a bonus, you'll also get access to the fully implemented OpenAI Assistant system. You can create, delete, or modify your own custom AI assistants directly inside Unity, capable of handling long, context-aware conversations tailored to your project. You can generate threads, send messages to specific threads, and receive responses with built-in memory. The file search feature is included as well, enabling vector file uploads and complete end-to-end interaction with your assistant. All scripts and resources are included, but the detailed walkthrough is outside the scope of this course. You'll build a fully customizable file picker with draggable and resizable UI for file selection. I'll also show you how to convert Markdown to TextMesh Pro for clear text display and create a dynamic URL converter to open links from users or OpenAI services. Additionally, we'll implement a conversation history feature to store all chats and messages from both the user and OpenAI, with the option to delete the history when needed. I'll guide you step by step through how each API works and how to test responses using Postman for quick verification. By the end of this course, you'll be able to integrate all major OpenAI services into your Unity projects without relying on external SDKs. With full access to the source code, you can easily customize everything to fit your needs. Let's get started and explore the incredible possibilities ahead.